Yeah, don't forget that you have the threaded discussion too, which we were talking about earlier. What about finals? I just opened that up before class began, so you can see that the exam there. So this one's comprehensive as opposed to the others. Finals comprehensive, same nature as your weekly exam, the same thing, except this one's comprehensive. But there's a heavy flavoring to this past week's material. There's a heavy flavoring to it. And I think for the final, you have an hour and a half, same as the rest. It might be 2.5 hours. Toolbox. Let me just see if I can check real fast here. Yeah, 2 hours. 10 essay questions, yes. Except the points are doubles for all, but the points are around 10 points on each one except for the last question, which is 60 points. But when you read the last question, you'll see why it's 60 points. And I've already given you the answer to that question. I already gave you the question and answered it for you I think it was last week. Can I repeat it? Do you want me to take the exam for you too? I'll give you a chance to give yourself a hint. What's the one thing that we've probably discussed the most and been the most consistent about in the class? What's my dog's name? There you go. There you go. So now you know what it's about. Now you've got a good hint of what it's about. It's about that combined with your research paper. And I already said, I think it was last week, I said, what if you were asked this question? How would you answer it? Then we just talked about it and I gave you the answer, so you should be well prepared for it. Okay, let's go back to ethics. Ethics is back in the old days when I got to teach